Hey everyone, Billy Foulkes here with MarineMax Houston and Grady-White boats. Right now I am on a Grady-White 326 Canyon. This is one of our feature boats here at the Moody Gardens Boat Show. I'll go over a few of the things with you guys right now. I got a tilt steering wheel with a nice trucker knob, digital electric controls for your twin 300 Yamahas in the back. This boat has a beam of 10 foot 9 inches wide, and length overall is just about 33 feet, actually a little over 33 feet with the integrated swim platforms in the back. So back here, I want to point out the swim platforms. Plenty of room back there, so you can use that to dive off of, fish off of, things like that, whatever you guys want. But you have a live well right here, and you have a massive fish box right here. So if you're going offshore, catching snapper, Dorado, whatever you can think of, it can fit in here, and you'll be good to go. And you're going to get there super comfortably because you're not going to beat the ride of a Grady-White boat. So right here, I'm going to show you a couple more things. We have the sink right there, another live well, which is massive. Nice blue interior, curved corners right there. So it keeps your bait nice and fresh all day long. Tackle storage right here. Some storage for your knives, pliers, screwdrivers, everything that you guys can think of. Oh, look up, Sarah. I want you guys to notice that we have the Sure Shade top, and it doesn't take away your rod holders that are built into the hardtop frame. We also have additional rod holders throughout the boat. And check this out. Got a nice little door right here, swings open, has a magnetic latch. There's a ladder that goes in there, folds overboard, keeps you away from the motors getting in and out of the boat. Moving forward, have this huge sun platform area. We haven't launched the boat yet, so all the cushions are kind of out, which is kind of a good thing. So this is removable. This piece stays in there, but it also flips up, so you can get easy access to your windlass controls up there. You have your backrest that folds out of the way, but also fold there, so you can get to your backrest right here. Nice seat right here, but over here, we're going to show you guys the head compartment. Tons of room down there, get you out of the water, or get you out of the sun. It does have a freshwater wash down in there that you can rinse off with. But again, this is a 326 Canyon by Grady-White Boats. We're at the Moody Gardens Air, Auto, and Boat Show. Come by and see us this weekend.